65 million! That's the number of people who speak a second language in the US alone. That's 20% of the entire population of the US, and it's a number equal to the population of the United Kingdom. Tell me, why are you letting an audience the size of UK to slip by untapped? What are you doing to bring them to your offers? If the answer is nothing, then that must change today, because you're letting a huge traffic opportunity escape. You see, it's not just these 65 million, it's also the 2 billion other non-English speaking buyer grade people of the world who you could bring to your website if you could reach them. Imagine the type of traffic you could tap into if you could just create videos in everyone's native language. You could rank for buyer keywords in their language and get buyer quality traffic that's impossible to rank for in English because of too much competition. That would give your marketing the unfair edge over your competition and bring you the traffic that they haven't even started to target. It could be the best marketing step you take this year. And all you need to do is recreate your videos in other languages. Easier said than done, right? To begin, you'll need to transcribe your video and create a script in English. Yes, you could get that done from Fiverr for about $10 and get a next-day delivery. Next, you'll need to hire a translator. It might cost you another $50 and 3 days, but can be done online. The next step is audio recording, and that's expensive. At least $150 plus 4 more days of waiting. And finally, you'll need to find a video editor who will take all of that and put your new language transcript video and audio into your video. Just another little expense of $100. We are easily looking at an expense of $300 and 10 days to create just one local language video. No wonder no one can do this. But what if we told you that you could do this at no cost and in a matter of minutes, not days? And you could do this for not just one language, but hundreds, over and over again for every single video that you have. Sounds unreal? Well, it's real now thanks to technology. This is VidScribe AI, a powerful new desktop application that uses breakthrough AI technology to do everything we just described on 100% autopilot and without any further cost to you. All you need to do is give VidScribe AI any YouTube URL or a video from your computer and it'll do the rest. VidScribe will use AI technology to detect and transcribe the audio, translate it, lay subtitles on the video, and then even redub the entire video in the language of your choice with natural quality speech. You can churn fresh videos in any language you want with subtitles, redubbing, or both, not in days or hours, but minutes. And yes, without spending a single cent. Just click a button and you get a new video in a new language. Thank you, AI technology. AI is going to change the world, and it's going to start with your business. Use VidScribe AI and open up a floodgate of fresh visitors, people that you've never reached out to before. Do it before your competition discovers the same technology and steals this traffic away from you. Just to show you what can be done, we implemented VidScribe AI on one of our fresh websites and got a 104% spike in traffic just in 7 days. It's not a surprise at all. After all, the competition for the search engine rankings in local languages is way lower than in English. They are content-starved and videos always rank higher. Videos plus local language is a lethal combination, and we just put that to work. How would you like to do that in your business? Do this regularly, and you will build yourself a traffic pipeline that just keeps sending buyer-quality people to your offers and pages day after day without any expense or further effort. So, what are you waiting for? It's time to take action. It's time to get VidScribe AI and start your language traffic pipeline. What's even better? Get it here, and you will also get a commercial license. The commercial license authorizes you to caption and redub videos, not just for yourself, but also for your clients. You can offer this to your customers for a per video fee or as a service charging a monthly recurring. Heck, you could just go to Fiverr and create an offer to drive traffic by subtitling and redubbing videos for others and get some awesome fresh clients. There are literally millions of site owners and marketers who'd like more traffic. They'll be happy to pay for it, and you should be the person who'll sell it to them. So don't wait a moment more. Get VidScribe and start ranking and driving traffic in a way you've never done before. And remember, your investment in VidScribe AI is 100% safe. VidScribe AI comes with a 30-day 100% refund guarantee. Get it, take it for a spin, optimize some pages, and watch the traffic arrow go up. If you don't get the results that absolutely delight you, just tell our support team within 30 days of your purchase. We will take back VidScribe AI and refund 100% of your money without any hassles. Don't miss this offer. If you're here, it's very likely you've seen other products from us. We know we only make solid stuff, and we make sure it works well. Click on the button below and get your VidScribe AI.